I know that is where you're asking. Okay. Let me know once you're able to see my screen. Can you see the screen?
Yes.
Okay. So what you need to do is go to the Google. I'll show you once again, no problem. I'll go to Google. I will type in Simple Mind. Okay. Click on Simple Mind Home. It will show you try it free. And you will have 30 days trial. Okay. If you come down, it will ask you to choose Windows or Mac. You can choose whichever you want. So once you click on this, you will have the software that will get downloaded. Then double click on this. So you will start seeing this run button. You're able to see the screen, right?
Yes.
So it will ask you to install it actually. So you know how to install the software, right? So I will not
Okay.
go in this.
Understood.
Yeah, because it's already installed, so it will throw an error. Once you install it, you will get an icon like this. So I can show you. Go here and type in Simple Mind. You'll get, in this case it is Pro, but in your case it will show as a trial. So you will get a notes like this. Okay, this notes is something that I have prepared on a meeting that I attended. Okay,
Okay.
so you need to click on this. You will have the investment rule coming like this. Then once you click on this, you will can keep on expanding like this. Okay,
Okay.
now what you need to do is first you need to go and look at the cleaning of this particular thing. In this notes you have everything that is required, you know, a lot of things which are there because it's related to stock. You have a lot of stock related items which are available. Okay, so
Okay.
what you need to do is I'll send you this file actually.
Okay.
You have to open this file, and wherever you have this triangle thing, you have to click on this and look for this. See, this I have attended the seminar, so I know it. But you have not attended the seminar, you may not know it. What you have to do is just go through it, use your common sense, nothing else. Anything that has stock specific things, okay,
Okay.
you can delete it. This is basically a stock. You know, you can see broad, bought, sell, wherever you got, those are all stock related. You can delete that. And what I need is I need a cleaner version of this, meaning you don't need this. You can look at this phase one. See, these are all formulas, right? I mean, it's not stock specific one, but these are all formulas. So these are all, these are all formula. These are all stock specific details. Super growth is stock and fast growth is stock and all, right? So when you have these things, you can't actually go with this. Are you getting it?
Yes.
Huh.
Yes.
So the ones which are not required, you can just go and delete. Okay. I will have a copy of this. You don't need to worry. Because I'm going to send you one of the copies, so you shouldn't be worrying about that. So you'll have this. Okay.
Okay.
And then um, try to bring it down to as minimal as possible. You know, you don't need a lot of things because you by looking at this you will be able to figure out what is important, what is not important. Then you have to um, keep only important things and take out the non-important ones. See, this one is specific to stocks. You don't need to look at. Okay, some basic summary. So you have a whole notes, and that whole notes you're going to summarize it, bring it down. Actually, you got it right.
I have to only keep the things that are related to only stock.
Yes, the only thing you have to keep whichever is non-relevant to stock, and um, quickly see if you can summarize actually, summary part of thing. It's more of cleaning up. Okay.
Okay.
I will send you this video also, and I'll send you this file also. See if you can do anything. Based on that, we can actually discuss further. Any questions you have, Prabhat? Have you used mind maps earlier?
Not I haven't used.
I haven't used, no? No problem. So, and no problem. I'm going to give this video recording also. I'll keep. Just do and get back to me if I have any questions. I'll again reach back to you. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.